It's Bird Wally and I murder any beat. Bitch, eating out the deepest dish, rapping sweet like sweet fish. I got the crack, no Liberty Bell. You talking money, talking sales, think I'm giving to hell? Go take 6 shots of bleach to the fucking head. By the 5th shot, lungs release, say you fucking dead. You hear what I say, you rapping been incorrect. I don't know what's next, but since the summer, man, I've been the best. I'ma get a check. Just like Nike, bro. You ain't on my dick, but you want me just like me. Even your wifey know. Every 2 minutes, motherfuckers want Skype me. Yo, I'm shitting, can you wipe me, bro? Getting money, and I don't think I'ma ever stop. When I cop, I get a flock. I'm flipping, I never flop. You better stop hating on me, man. Get some money. I stay making it rain, but every day is sunny. Everything 100. What you need, I bet I got it. Spitting like a rocket, flaming shit. That's why you jogging. Just stop it, no mic dick cutting them. I got the flu or something cause I'm quite sick in the head. Steady gripping breath, no factory labor. Instead I'm on the rise like yeast, but I ain't a baker. Suck my dick, make sure you swallow all that. I do the shot calling, little bitch, you can call back, fall back. Before your feet leave the fucking ground. Shotty got a drum round, 812 sounded dumb loud. Take his head off his fucking shoulders. Headshot, no Call of Duty, game over. Junior in the building, fuck my biological pops. I could care less if that man lied in the box. He wasn't there, J. Duke, crazy fucking man. Seen him whipping 10, I was like, fuck it, started flipping grand. Like, damn, money, what you do to me? They said, Bird, look, you really need unity. Everybody crying, faces looking like a eulogy. I stared Ben Frank down, told him it was you and me. Truthfully, I don't give a fuck how you feel. Scrutiny is beautiful, I need to get a fuck. Let's get it. Like a fucking hair, spitting bars you never heard. On the hot corner, no, I always play third. Basement, bitch, is where I'm at now. Be patient, bitch, just let my cash pile. These motherfuckers wanna see me, but they really don't. Like they stealing coke, man, grab them by the fucking coat. Where you going, motherfucker, what you hide? Thinking I'ma let it slide? Nah, it's an eye for an eye. Fuck it, I don't need the rap. Hidden keys in the trap, about to be slinging crack. It's a fact, slow money's better than no money. It's so funny, your clothes bummy and your flow scummy. No honey, everything ain't sweet. Swags on the hot seat, LeBron dunking, try to block me. No, I did not cheat. I'm just doing me, bro. Under the gazebo, getting money off the CeeLo. I'm never below any other bum rapper. I put in work, no ladders, I got dumb swag. You're an actor, nothing much but a bitch. You ain't running shit, you scheming, trying to come up quick. Eat a dick, please don't bite mine. I'm taking off like I'm sitting at the flight line. Smoking on that white pine, doctor said it'd be perfect. I sold a man a grand for 30, said it was worth it. I'm just working, fuck caring about you haters. I'm a skater flipping and grinding, I never see you later. Translator, I don't think they understand money. You standing with a can asking for a hand or something. Get away from me, you smell like straight shit. I got the rap game locked up like 8 pits, bitch. What's up? Who won it? I'm coming, you better start running. GHF, man up, AMC. About to get this MONE. Why? Fucking bitch.